this video, you learn how to take out your bathroom walls without destroying any water lines or any electrical cables running through. So we'll also show you how to remove the tile safely and how to also start removing this wall. This whole wall will be coming down and we'll be moving it back about 1 foot or 30 centimeters. So even though we have all the water shut off into this wall and all the water lines are drained, we still need to be careful that there are not any other water lines running through this wall. Because if you cut into that, it can be cause a lot of problems with flooding and a lot more other problems. There's also electricity running through this wall, which we're going to keep on for most of the time that we're in this bathroom and taking everything out. So we need to be aware, again, when we're cutting into the wall, that we don't cut into any electrical wires, causing potential shock. So we'll teach you how to just safely remove this wall, how to remove this tile work, and how to safely do it without cutting into any wires or into any plumbing.